Hi friends, it's Alexis from the Glazer Children's Museum. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own EQ quilt. So what exactly is an EQ quilt? An EQ quilt is something that you can make as an easy way to recognize and track your emotions every single day just using colors. So what exactly do you need to make an EQ quilt? First, you're going to need a printed out 9 patchwork quilt sheet that we have provided for you to download. Or you can use fabric or colored paper, whatever you have at home that you would like to use to make your quilt. And then lastly, you're just going to need something to color with. So markers, crayons, or my personal favorite, colored pencils. So now that we have all of our materials, let's get started. Now you're probably wondering, which colors go with which emotions? Have you seen the movie Inside Out? Oh my gosh, me too! Inside Out is one of my favorite movies. Who's your favorite character? Awesome! My favorite character is my girl Disgust. What I love about the movie Inside Out is that one of the main characters, Riley, is navigating through a huge change in her life. And by the end of the movie, we learn that it's okay to not feel happy or feel joyful every single day, but instead to embrace those days and embrace those times when we're feeling sad, fearful, or any other emotion. So the colors that we're going to use to make our quilt are inspired by the characters from Inside Out. So first, we have yellow, which means joy,
blue, which means sadness, red, which means anger, green, which means disgust, and purple, which means fear.
Now that we know which colors match which emotions, let's start our quilt. So step 1 is to figure out which emotion you are feeling today. So take a minute right now to think about which emotion you are currently feeling. And don't forget to say it out loud. So saying things like, today I'm feeling, or today I am blank. For me, today I'm feeling super joyful. And I'm feeling joyful because I get to spend today with you, and we get to start our EQ quilts together. So if I'm feeling joyful, can you remind me which color I should be coloring in my first square? That's right! Thank you for reminding me. I'm going to be coloring in my first square yellow. So now for step 2, I'm going to go in and color in my first square. There you go, it's that simple. Now, I've been tracking and recording my emotions every single day for the last 2 weeks. So this is what my EQ quilt currently looks like. Keep doing this every single day and see what your quilt ends up looking like. And always remember, there is no right or wrong way to do this. What's important is that you're putting words to your emotions and are being 100% honest with how you're feeling. Emotions are like a patchwork quilt. All of your emotions are pieced together to make up the whole you. If you would like to share your EQ quilt with us, please don't forget to tag the Glazer Children's Museum or use the hashtag GCMAtHome. We are so excited to see what you create. Thank you so much for joining me today at GCM at Home, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!